Hi, today we're going to be talking about inductive reasoning. Let's get started. So inductive reasoning has 3 steps. So you observe patterns, you make a conjecture. A conjecture is basically a conclusion you make from making patterns or using inductive reasoning. Then, if your conjecture is wrong, you can prove it with a counterexample. Okay? So, for example, we're going to look at the sum of odd numbers. So if we just have 1, the sum is equal to 1. If we have 1 plus 3, the sum is equal to 4. Now, I might make a conjecture looking at these patterns, right? It's hopping or adding 3. I might make a conjecture that the sum of odd numbers, so this would be number 1, this would be number 2, is just n, 3, would just be 1 plus 3n, 3 times n minus 1. So for example, for number 2, it was 1 plus 3 times 2 minus 1, which is 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4. Right? So first I observed patterns, check. I made a conjecture, check. But now let's see if mine is actually right. I need to find a counterexample because this seems wrong, right? This conjecture seems wrong. Well, let's look at number 3. It would be 1 plus 3 plus 5. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 9. And I'm going to try my conjecture. So 1 plus 3 times 3 minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 3 times 2, which is equal to 1 plus 6, which is equal to 7. But 7 is not equal to 9, and therefore I have proved my conjecture false. And I should actually write it not there, but I'll write it here. Okay? So I hope that helped, and I hope to see you soon.